Gummy bears are one of the most popular candies around the world, with Albanese being one of the most popular brands. If you are a fan of these tasty treats, you may be interested in knowing the Albanese gummy bears ingredients. Oftentimes, people don't know any of the ingredients that go into making gummy bears. People of all ages love how fun and tasty gummy bears are. They are flavorful and have a nice chewy texture. Their cute shape and bright, colorful appearance make them even more inviting. History of gummy bears. The history of gummy bears begins in Bonn, Germany during the 1920s with Hans Riegel. Riegel became bored with his job as a confectionery worker as it seemed to be going nowhere. So, he set out to begin his own candy company. At first, Riegel began making candies with a copper kettle and marble slab. Originally, his candies were colorless and hard. His wife was in charge of making deliveries of the candies via bicycle. Riegel came up with the name of his company by combining the first two letters of his first name, the first two letters of his last name, and the first two letters of his hometown. By doing this, he came up with the name Haribo. Though his hard candies proved to do well, he came up with the idea to make a gelatin-based candy that was soft and fruit-flavored. After seeing trained bears perform at street festivals, he decided to make the candies bear-shaped. The gummy bears become a hit, and though Riegel wasn't the first person to make gummy candies, the gummy bears. After Haribo took a hard hit during World War II, the company was able to bounce back. They are now one of the biggest candy companies in the world. About Albanese Candy Company. For over 30 years, Albanese Candy has been producing top-notch gummies and chocolates in Merrillville, Indiana. All of their high-quality ingredients are sourced from American and European growers. Though they have several top-selling goods, their 12-flavor gummy bears are the most popular. In addition to gummy bears, they also sell other gummy products such as worms, rings, holiday and seasonal, and sugar-free. They also sell a large variety of chocolates including truffles, peanut butter cups, malt balls, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. They even have a variety of chocolate-covered products including nuts, pretzels, fruit, and more. Albanese Gummy Bears ingredients. The Albanese 12-flavor gummy bears are a fat-free, gluten-free, and low-sodium food. In addition, they are also dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, and contain no artificial sweeteners. They are sold online and at grocery stores all across America. They come in anywhere from 1-ounce fun-size bags to 5-pound bulk bags. The fun-size bags are perfect for gifts, road trips, and party favors. Albanese Gummy Bear Flavors. The 12 flavors are cherry, pink grapefruit, watermelon, strawberry, orange, blue raspberry, lime, grape, green apple, mango, pineapple, and lemon. Each flavor is as delicious as the next, which is what makes them one of Albanese's best sellers. Before buying food, some people like to know the ingredients. Knowing the ingredients can be helpful if you have any food allergies or sensitivities. In addition, if you are on a special diet like vegetarian, vegan, or keto, you will want to know the ingredients to ensure they meet your diet. There are several different ingredients in these gummies. However, that is normal for gummy candies, as they often require several ingredients to make. Here are all the ingredients in the 12-flavor gummy bears. Corn syrup, sugar, water, gelatin, citric acid, natural and artificial flavors, pectin, vegetable oil, carnauba leaf wax, yellow number 5 FDAN-C, red number 40 FDAN-C, yellow number 6 FDAN-C, blue number 1 FDAN-C. What is gelatin? Gelatin is an ingredient that is colorless, as well as flavorless, and is made from collagen, which comes from animal body parts. It is a type of protein that often comes from boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of pigs and cows. When dry, gelatin is brittle, and when it is wet it is gummy. It is a common ingredient in marshmallows, gummy candies, and Jell-O that gives them their signature textures. You may also find gelatin in some ice creams and yogurts. Like most gummy bears, Albanese gummy bears have gelatin in them as it gives them their gummy, chewy texture. Since gelatin is made with animal products, Albanese gummy bears' gelatin products are not vegan-friendly. Most popular brands of gummies are not vegan-friendly. Many people do not realize that this popular type of candy is often made with animal products. Though certain brands make them without gelatin, many brands do, as it is the most common ingredient for achieving their unique texture. Albanese Gummy Bears Nutrition. One serving of Albanese gummy bears is approximately 8 bears. This is equal to 90 calories and 0 grams of fat. They contain 13 grams of added sugar, 21 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of protein. Tasty and adorable gummies. Not only are Albanese gummy bears delicious, but they are also adorable. They are a great candy that people of all ages love and make a tasty snack to share with friends. They have a long history and for many years have been a fan favorite. Before you dig into your gummies, it is a good idea to know the ingredients that are in them. This is especially important if you have any food allergies or are on a certain diet. For example, many people are unaware that gummies contain animal products due to the ingredient gelatin. The good thing about these gummies is that they are fat-free, gluten-free, and low-sodium food. They are also dairy-free, peanut-free, and tree nut-free, containing no artificial sweeteners. One serving of them has just 90 calories, 13 grams of added sugar, 1 gram of protein, and 21 grams of carbohydrates. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.